If you are struggling with pimples or acne, then this video is for you because we are going to talk about how you can get rid of pimples naturally with turmeric. Turmeric contains powerful anti-inflammatory compounds called curcuminoids. The active compound curcumin has been shown to help in the treatment of acne because it helps reducing inflammation, as well as fighting bacteria. Here's how. Acne occurs when hair follicles become clogged with excess oil and dead skin cells. This can happen when your body produces too much of the hormone called insulin. Insulin is one of the anabolic hormones that promotes growth and storage of fat. When there is too much insulin in your blood, your skin cells begin to grow rapidly, which results in clogging of pores. And guess what? Too much insulin also increases the production of sebum, which is an oily substance that can clog pores. So you have more clogging, more inflammation, more pimples or acne. One of the main causes of high insulin level is consuming too many carbohydrates in your diet. That's why it is very important to control your carbohydrate intake if you want to get rid of pimples naturally. But the problem is most people don't know how to do that. They just keep eating tons of bread, pasta, cereal, biscuits, waffles, pancakes, sodas, and juice, and they expect their pimples or acne to go away magically. Well, it's not going to happen. Instead, your pimples will come back again and again and you will feel frustrated. But if you want to get rid of pimples naturally, you have to reduce the amount of carbohydrates in your diet and replace them with healthy fats. Healthy fats like omega-3 fatty acids, monounsaturated fats, and polyunsaturated fats can help regulate insulin levels, which in turn can improve acne. You see, when you consume healthy fats, your body absorbs them slowly so your blood sugar levels don't spike up. In comparison, when you eat unhealthy carbohydrates, your body digests them very quickly, which increases blood sugar and insulin levels rapidly. So by consuming healthy fats instead of bad carbs, you can control your insulin levels and prevent pimples or acne. The best way to get rid of pimples or acne naturally is to follow a low-carb diet, such as a ketogenic diet or a paleo diet. These diets are very effective because they eliminate refined carbohydrates from your diet, which are the main cause of high insulin levels. A ketogenic diet consists of high fat, moderate protein, and very low carbohydrates. It is one of the best diets to reduce insulin resistance and bring down your blood sugar levels. In comparison, a paleo diet consists of only natural whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, lean meats, and fish. Both keto and paleo diets are excellent for improving acne because they reduce insulin levels and provide your body with essential nutrients that promote healthy skin. In addition to diet, you can also try topical applications of turmeric to get rid of pimples or acne. The active compound curcumin in turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce redness and swelling of pimples or acne. You can make a turmeric face mask by mixing turmeric powder with water or yogurt and apply it to your face for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. It is recommended to use turmeric face mask once or twice a week for best results. You can also try using turmeric mixed with honey as a face mask. Honey has antibacterial properties that can help fight acne-causing bacteria. Just mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with 2 tablespoons of honey and apply the mixture to your face for 15 minutes before rinsing. Another way to use turmeric for treating pimples or acne is by adding it to your bath water. Add 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder to your bath water and soak in it for 15 to 20 minutes. The anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric will help soothe and calm your skin, which can reduce redness and swelling of pimples or acne. Here's another powerful remedy to treat pimples or acne. Mix 1 cup of fresh aloe vera pulp with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Apply this mixture to your face for 15 minutes before rinsing. Aloe vera is a natural anti-inflammatory agent that can help reduce redness and swelling of pimples or acne. Lemon juice has astringent properties that can help tighten pores and prevent clogging, which can reduce the formation of new pimples or acne. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties can help fight acne-causing bacteria and reduce inflammation of pimples or acne. As you can see, turmeric is a versatile natural remedy that can be used in different ways to treat pimples or acne. It is important to note that these natural remedies may not work immediately, but it takes time to heal and clear up acne. Consistency is the key to success. If you are using turmeric topically, it is important to do a patch test on a small area of your skin before applying it to your entire face. This is because some people may be allergic to turmeric and other ingredients used in the recipes. If you experience any irritation or discomfort, discontinue use and consult with a healthcare professional. It is also important to keep in mind that while natural remedies can be helpful, they are not a substitute for professional medical advice and treatment. If you are struggling with severe or persistent acne, it is important to seek help from a qualified healthcare provider. They can help determine the underlying cause of your acne and recommend the best course of treatment, which may include prescription medications or other therapies. Remember that getting rid of pimples or acne requires a holistic approach that includes diet, lifestyle changes, and natural remedies. By following these tips, you can improve the overall health of your skin and reduce the appearance of pimples or acne. Now let's talk about the benefits of turmeric. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat a variety of health conditions, including digestive problems, respiratory issues, and skin disorders. It is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help protect the body against damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can contribute to aging and disease. By neutralizing free radicals, turmeric can help reduce the risk of chronic conditions such as heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. Turmeric is also known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a natural process that occurs when the body is trying to heal itself from injury or infection. However, chronic inflammation can contribute to various health problems, including arthritis, heart disease, and cancer. Curcumin has been shown to inhibit the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines, which are small proteins that play a role in inflammation. By reducing inflammation in the body, turmeric can help alleviate symptoms of inflammatory conditions and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Turmeric also has antibacterial and antiseptic properties that can help protect against infections. It can help boost the immune system, making the body more resistant to infections. Turmeric has been shown to enhance the activity of certain immune cells, which are responsible for fighting off pathogens such as bacteria and viruses. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce symptoms of allergies and asthma. Furthermore, turmeric has been shown to have neuroprotective properties that can help protect against brain damage and improve cognitive function. It can help improve memory and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's disease. Turmeric's antioxidant properties can help protect the brain from oxidative stress, which is a type of damage caused by free radicals. By reducing oxidative stress in the brain, turmeric can help maintain cognitive function and reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline. Turmeric is also known for its ability to support liver health. The liver is an important organ that plays a vital role in detoxification and metabolism. Curcumin has been shown to improve liver function and reduce the risk of liver damage caused by toxins or medications. It can help boost the activity of certain enzymes that are involved in the detoxification process, making the liver more efficient at removing toxins from the body. Additionally, turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce inflammation in the liver, which is associated with various liver diseases such as hepatitis and cirrhosis. Turmeric also has anti-cancer properties that have been studied extensively. Curcumin has been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and promote apoptosis, which is a process of programmed cell death. It can help prevent the spread of cancer cells and reduce the risk of metastasis, which is the spread of cancer cells to other parts of the body. Additionally, turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties can help prevent chronic inflammation, which is associated with the development and progression of cancer. Overall, turmeric is a versatile spice that can provide numerous health benefits. Its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and anti-cancer properties make it an important addition to a healthy diet. Incorporating turmeric into your daily routine can help protect against chronic diseases and improve overall health. So if you want to enjoy all the amazing benefits of turmeric, add it to your grocery list right now. Now I want to hear from you. Have you tried turmeric for treating pimples or acne? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Stay healthy.